Good afternoon, everyone. Calcutta chapter called me just now, and they have a beautiful suggestion. And I think, but if we go by this suggestion, then we are going to make a lot of benefit out of this one-to-one conclave. I'm just going to share this with you all, and we need to get a go-ahead from all of you so that we can inform them. Yes, we are ready with this plan, and we want to do this way. You know what they are suggesting. They have done inter-region one-to-one with Vietnam, with other countries also, and all over India also they have started. And most productive way of doing one-to-one, they found out that if uh, instead of one person meeting in one-to-one, if there are 6 people in the room, or 5 or 6 or 7 people in the room, one room, and they are discussing about the exploring about the city, because it is intercity. What is happening in Bhubaneswar, we can tell them better than them, and what is happening in Calcutta, they can tell us better than us. So they will be informing what is going on in Calcutta. We will be informing them what is going on in Bhubaneswar, and at the same time, if there are some people are not able to speak or not able to open up, then the one-to-one will go waste. So if the first one-to-one is waste, then the second one-to-one, he will not have that motivation to do one-to-one. And if there is no connection coming up between them, then obviously instead of 25 minutes, they will end up doing their one-to-one in 10 minutes, and they will come to the main room. So what they are suggesting, the flow of the meeting, what they told me is 2:30 we will have an open discussion. In the open discussion, the coordinator will always tell us that allow us to speak uh, what is going on in the city, what is going on in Calcutta, and one person will speak in the open networking. After the open networking ends at 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock for 5-6 minute dream chapter president will speak, and for 5 minutes our president will speak about a chapter, and then the coordinator will speak about how what is the time limit for one-to-one, and what is the time we are allotting for each one-to-one, and then how the breakout room is formed. Accordingly, he will inform us. After that, everybody will give their 30-second presentation. In the 30-second presentation, they will have their PPT with 25 members. We will have our PPT with 25 members with our own specific ask, because they have specific ask from Bhubaneswar. So we need to create a specific ask. If we have in Calcutta, then we can really put it into our presentation. So 25 members, 50 members will do the 30-second presentation in about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, they are saying that instead of one person going to the hall, we will do the changes once again and make 5 or 6 people together and put them into the room. So instead of uh, having 25 rooms, we will have only 8 rooms. 8 6 are 48, or 9 rooms, and put the group into the room, so that the result of the one-to-one, result of the, this is called a power team discussion time. So if one person is not able to speak, seeing other people, he will also open up, and there will be 3% from our side, 3% from their side. And if I am talking to someone in one-to-one discussion and I'm getting nothing out of him, maybe the other 2 people might give something to me. So it is going to be more productive than the earlier one. And we are just thinking for the benefit of the member. That is why we are putting it forward in front of you. But still, if you think it is the right way to go forward, then please give a go ahead. Otherwise, we will go back to the previous plan what we have thought of. Thank you very much. I've given them about half an hour's time. So if you can kindly give me a go ahead within the half an hour, it would be great. Thank you very much.